Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a first impressions video using the products I got from last video's Makeup Forever event that we attended all together. So let's get into it. I haven't tried most of these on my face yet, and I wanted to go through them with you guys. First things first, let's get started on this viral skin tint, and let's see what it's all about. The Super Boost Skin Tint. So what I've read about this baby is that it has skincare benefits inside of it. Also, it's got hyaluronic acid and grapefruit extract inside these babies that plump, smooth, and blur the skin. I got the colors 7 and 6. Let's see which one matches me better. So this is the packaging. The Super Boost is supposed to be super hydrating, giving you a skin-like finish. So if you are a sheer girl, like light to medium coverage girly, this is the foundation they say for you. But let me try it out first. This is 6 on me. Wow, that was a really good shade match. Wow, okay. Let's try out the tone 7. I like the bottle. It reminds me of like a needle. It's cute. I definitely think 7, right? Would you guys pick 6 or 7? Sound off below. I think 7. We're going to do a very natural, clean girl makeup look today. I'm guessing I'm going to need a lot of this. Using the F4 brush. Wow. Okay. First impression, I love, but you know I can't like let you guys know if I'm addicted to something unless I've tested it, worn it out in real life. But that just looks like such a beautiful skin, like satin finish as well. And it feels like I have nothing on my face, by the way. We're gonna apply it on this side too, the same amount. I feel like you can even like apply this product with your hands. I'll do that on my forehead. This like is my vibe. Why didn't I try this out earlier? I hate when I like find a product that I obsess with right now. It's like we could have been connected so long ago. So let's see how it blends with your fingers. It gives more of a higher coverage, I would say, which is like strange. I absolutely adore this. It's like giving that glass skin. It's a bit of a gel, not really like a tint. What's your opinion so far looking at it? I just feel like my skin looks like butter and it looks like me. And this is definitely something I'm going to be opting for if I'm running out of the door and I want to look hot by the pool vibe. Like this just looks like I have a bombastic skin. Bombastic side eye. Why I didn't use this earlier. So if you want the fullest coverage, stippling works with this product. I have freckles and melasma right here, and I just stippled that on. So these artist crayon pencils are multi-use. They are meant to be used on your eye, on your cheek, on your lip. Whatever you desire, you can create with these artist crayon pencils. I got the tones 600 Anywhere Caffeine, Blazing Fudge 168, Endless Cacao in 506, 606 Wherever Walnut. Now, this is like one of my favorite shades of all time in the lip liner. And I also got them in blush colors. So we got the 226 in Daring Pink and the 308 in Vivid Coral. Let's give these babies a try. I've kind of been jello that I didn't try this earlier. That's kind of like what they look like, just a giant crayon. This is Anywhere Caffeine. Let's try it out on my lids. So let's say, ooh, okay, the texture is very like glidey. I want to use the other colors too so I can show you guys. Underneath your eyes, let's say like you're trying to get out the door fast. I'm creating a scenario in my head. Let's try the Wherever Walnut underneath that tone. Anywhere Caffeine is more kind of, I would say, a contour tone. And then Wherever Walnut is like more mauve-y. I'll give this a try on my lip. You know, my little lip contour thing? Okay. Oh, and it blends out with your fingers. Made my lips look so juicy. Let me blend out my eye really fast. That just like blended so beautifully and gave like a very sheer color. Well done. Let's try Blazing Fudge. Oh, this has shimmer in it. I was not expecting that at all. That's a cutie. Literally, this is perfect for pro artists, for women on the go. This is like so easy to use. I'm literally rubbing it in with my fingers. Now let's try Endless Cacao. I feel like this is like a contour shade. Usually I wouldn't do that directly on my face, but I'm trying to like just test it out how a regular person would test it out. Well, what do you guys think? Chiseled? Very chiseled. On the other side, let's try it the way I would. Deposit it on the back of your hand, pick it up with your brush, and apply. Did it look better applied on my face or the way I just put it on? Let's just go for it full throttle. I mean, it's blending seamlessly. The only thing is I wish I got darker colors. That's the only note that I have. And I had no idea that Blazing Fudge has shimmer in it. I want to try something ballsy right now. I'm glad I tried that out. That's a nice like bronze shimmer tone. You know, like how I used the powder Tom Ford? That gave that in a crayon form. Onto the other side. That looks gorgeous. Let's try out their blushes now. Vivid Coral and Daring Pink. Let's do the coral first. Why not? Let's hit our cheek with it too. That's a beautiful color. That actually matches me so good. Let's try the Daring Pink on the other side. It's like that baby doll pastel. Okay. Both are very cute and giving two completely different looks. But if I had to choose between the two, for summer, I would go with the coral. Putting some more coral on the other side. I wonder if you can blend with your fingers. Yes, you can. Put some on my lids. Very cute. This is what I mean when I need some time to always play with the product to tell you guys how good it actually is and how to manipulate it. So off camera, I just set my face with some Laura Mercier setting powder, so on and so forth. But I was like, I've decided that Anywhere Caffeine is my favorite shade so far. If grabbing the brush and literally just loading the product like that, and then swiping it, gave me the most seamless blend. It's a cutie. Moving on. Makeup Forever was so cutesy with this little pencil box. They engraved my name on it, and what I find funny, it's like the H space and Rush. If you guys didn't know, for the longest time, people didn't know how to say my name, and they would call me H Rush, and I would just go along with it. Maybe that's like my stage name, not Hrush. But along with the pencil box came all these shades. We have Boundless Berry, we have Wherever Walnut, which is like my jam, Limitless Brown, one of the best browns, Anywhere Caffeine, another jam that I've been using on myself and celebrity clients, Dimensional Dark Brown. I've actually have not used this, so I'm excited to use that. Endless Cacao, such a special color, and Universal Earth, which I have not used. You know what? I'm gonna use Anywhere Caffeine. These two have been my jam for the longest time. Wherever Walnut and Anywhere Caffeine. Now I want to show you guys the difference in the tones. On the bottom, I'm gonna go in with Wherever Walnut on this side. And then on this side, I'll go with Anywhere Caffeine. They're so sharp and matte, long wearing. A lot of lip liners that are matte kind of have this like weird rolling thing that it does where it's too much product at one time. This never does that. Comment down below if you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. So as you guys can see, this is more mauve and this is more taupey. It's more like the perfect nudish brown, Anywhere Caffeine, and you can amplify it. I always go in with a light hand. So I'll go with Anywhere Caffeine. So I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna fill in the sides with Anywhere Caffeine. Now I'm just gonna clean up around my lip. Just a little swipey swipe. What do you guys think? That's just lip liner, by the way. Let's get into the lip. Last but not least, we have this little cutie over here, the Super Boost Lip Gloss. Heard so many things about it. Never tried it before. Now this has hyaluronic acid and other oils infused into it, and it's supposed to give you high shine with no sticky feel. I got the colors Wherever Walnut, Anywhere Caffeine. We're trying something new with the 08 Boundless Berry and the Pearly Limitless Brown. I feel like let's do top and bottom, Anywhere Caffeine and Wherever Walnut. I'm really digging their new packaging though. I will say that. This is Anywhere Caffeine. Okay, doe foot. Smells nice. Are you guys a fragrance baddie or do you prefer fragrance-free cosmetics? This obviously so perfectly matched my lip liner because it is the Anywhere Caffeine. Let's try the Wherever Walnut. I like the Wherever Walnut with the caffeine, actually. What do you guys think? Let me try on the other lipstick. I feel like I can do that. High-key, low-key. One of the best non-irritating wipes I've been using are these Ortega wipes. Amazing. It's water-based. Okay. So far, we like the Anywhere Caffeine with the Wherever Walnut filler. I mean, you guys can have your own opinion, but let me know down below. That was my preference. Boundless Berry. Anywhere Caffeine with Boundless Berry. On the bottom. Okay, this is a good color. That's a good color. That's like pinch, that lip pinch tone. That barely, ooh, is she there? I like that tone. She's blushing, she's not, baby. And this is the Limitless Brown. Oh, that's sickening. For my melanated queens, I feel like Limitless Brown is going to be epic and so beautiful on your lips. But I like it. I like all the colors. I'm happy with all the colors. But let's go back to the combo that I was feeling the most. Uno momento. Reapplying the Anywhere Caffeine. I had a random idea. I'm going to do a little dollop of concealer. Natasha Denona High Glam. Get in the center. Butthole. Line and shape it again. Go back to Wherever Walnut. And that's what I call a lip. I do like how it feels on my lips. And it's not sticky when I do. I'm going to sound really crazy. I always do. And when it starts skidding, I don't like that. It slides. So it's Hrush tongue approved. Try that trick and let me know next time. Let's add on a little bit more blush though. Picking up on the blush the way I realized to pick up on the bronzing and contouring color. Bitch, get out of here. I guess I'm a professional makeup artist and I know what to do. Yeah, that application when you do what I just did with the brush is going to be the move. Do we like the look using Makeup Forever's newest products? So that's my little first impressions video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do more first impression videos with other products, or if you prefer me to do the wear test off camera to do my due diligence and try it on a couple more times before I introduce you to a product and technique. Or if you like to figure it out with me, but make sure to sound off below. Also, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share with your makeup bestie. I love you guys. Till next time.